Hey third grade math, it is wonderful Wednesday and we are starting a new topic today. So I have some pink and green flowers on my tank top. I made a pink and green flower for my hat so it matches nicely, and we are ready to start our new topic, and it is called perimeter. So now we did a lot with area before we did time. Now we're going to perimeter, which is kind of like area because we're measuring shapes. So when you did area, that was finding what covers a shape. Now with perimeter, it's the distance around a shape. So if you have grid paper, bring it to math. If not, we will draw some. So I'm going to draw a box. I'm going to put some boxes in it. I'm going to draw a square. Now, when we measure perimeter, we measure everything in units. If you remember, area was square units. Perimeter is just units. So I'm going to write that up here. So perimeter equals units. Unless, of course, they tell you inches, feet, yards, centimeters, then you would use those labels. But for right now, we're going to focus on units. And it's not square units anymore, it's just units. So to find the perimeter, we count the distance around a figure. So I'm going to show you, and then you can number everything. I'm going to do it and then show you. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the perimeter of this square is 12 units. Do you see how I numbered everything going around? That's what you need to do today. When you do your Google Doc, you don't have to type the numbers in because I know it can be hard and confusing, but make sure you count every little box going around, and then you can type in your answer of the perimeter equals 12 units, and make sure you label. Okay, let's try another one. So we're going to find the perimeter of this rectangle. Again, I'm going to count everything going around. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the perimeter is 12 units. Does everybody see how I did that? 12 units. Now another way you could do it, if you don't want to write the numbers, you can make little, almost like tally marks. I'm going to show you that too. I'll make it on a small one. So let's find the perimeter of this square, which is 4 boxes. So again, if you don't want to write the numbers, which I think you should, and make sure you write the numbers though on the outside because we're finding the distance around, you could do little marks and count your marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Does everybody see how I did marks instead of numbers? So you have that option as well. So here the perimeter would equal 8 units. So you can use numbers or you can use those marks. I want to show you one more thing. Sometimes we can find the perimeter of a different type of shape. Let me show you, like the trapezium T or a staircase. Let's do the trapezium T. So I'm going to make a T for trapezium. I'm going to put in some boxes. And we have to count the distance around. So you have to make sure you count everything. Now this is where I'm going to make the little marks and count as I go along. So listen carefully and then I'll show you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the perimeter equals 14 units. Notice I marked off everything, so I didn't leave anything out. There's not one mark missing. We're counting the distance around. So you have to catch every corner and every line. All right, let's do another one like this. I'm going to make a staircase. So here's our staircase. Now again, it might get a little messy to do the numbers, so if you're not comfortable with the numbers, you could do the marks or you could do the numbers, whatever you like. So I'm going to counting, and remember, count them. If you do the marks, count as you go along. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the perimeter equals 12 units. Now look at this one really carefully. I'm going to come down so I could show you. You notice how I counted all the marks. The top, the side, the top, the side, the top, the side. You don't want to miss that. I've seen it before where students don't see everything, so they're leaving out certain areas, certain parts. So make sure you count everything. Okay, so you have a Google Doc to practice today, and when we meet, you guys will practice with me. All right, and then we will be doing this again tomorrow, so if you're having a little trouble, don't worry, this lesson continues on Thrilling Thursday. So, but it's only Wonderful Wednesday. I will see you guys soon. Bye!